Welcome back to My Life Deliberately, and I've got good news. The tractor has been repaired. I had Casey from Mobile Compact Tractor Services come out. Casey was very professional. He was very quick. I had him fix the front end loader issue, and I had him fix a few other issues on the tractor, plus change all the fluids. His rates were very reasonable. He was very personable, good to work with, and it was a very good experience for me. So if you are in the North Idaho area and you're need somebody to do maintenance on your compact tractor, or your compact tractor is broken down, you need it fixed, Casey's the guy for you. So give him a call. I'll put his information in the description of this video. And as far as the repairs on the front end loader goes, he was able to take a large sledgehammer and flatten out the plates without having to heat them up. He said heating them up is an option, but to do so you risk losing the temper in the metal. So if he can do it without heating it up, that's a better option, he thought. He welded that little piece on that had broken off. He straightened that out, was able to get in there and clean the metal up and put a weld on that. And then after straightening the plates, he put a weld on across the front of it, about an inch on either side, to help hold the plate down. So hopefully it won't happen again. I still don't know how that was happening, and Casey wasn't able to offer any information on how he thought it was happening either. But anyway, he was able to fix it, and I'm very appreciative, and the rates were reasonable. So it is a good option for those living in the North Idaho area. So now that the tractor is fixed, that means we get back to firewood processing and using the cutoff table. So let's put that cutoff table to use.